Hello class, welcome to Anamika ma'am's classroom. Today my topic is number system. I have already explained in my previous video how to convert from decimal to binary number system. Today I will discuss decimal to octal conversion. So here is an example. Convert 395 which is in decimal to an octal number. In subscript, if you see 10 is there, then you can understand this number in decimal form and you have to convert to octal. So how to do it? So before I proceed, let's a quick division how to convert from decimal number to binary number system. Let's a quick revision. So there is a decimal to binary conversion 41.27 which is in decimal number and we have to convert to binary number. So first take this part, integral part 41 and start divide by 2 and keep aside the remainders. So you continue divide and 10 2s are 20, there is no remainder, so 0. 5 2s are 10, there is a no remainder, so 0. 2 2s are 4, then 1 remainder, then 2 1s are 2, so no remainder, 0. So when we get less than 2, then you stop here and when you write down the result, then you start from at last in reverse order. So from 1 0 1 0 0 1, not like this 1 0 0 1 0 1, this is wrong. So start from last in reverse order, you write down your result. So 41 in decimal number is equivalent to binary number 101001. Now the number is not only 41, it is 0.27 also. There is a fraction part. So what to do with this fraction part? Do it separately. This integral part is over. Now come to fraction part 0.27. Here for integral part you have to divide by 2. For fraction part you have to multiply by 2. So here is a division and from fraction is a multiplication. 2 is same because we have to convert to binary and the base of binary number system is 2. Then 0.27 into 2. So I get 0.54. Whatever you have here you keep aside 0 and that means integral part you keep aside and again you start with this fraction part, that means 0.54. So 0.54 into 2 I get 1.08. 1 integral part you keep aside and continue with 0.08. 0.08, don't start with 1.08, you keep aside 1 and 0.08 you continue with into 2, then 0.16. 0 is in integral part, keep aside, then 0.16, 0.16 into 2 again, so 0.32, so 0 integral part you keep aside. So you continue this process until after point you get all zeros. I again repeat, you continue this process until after point you get all zeros. But if after 4 times if you don't get zeros here, then stop. After 4 times if not get 0, then you stop, then you get one approx value. Okay, so not accurate value, you get an approx value up to 4 decimal places. Then you stop here and for this you have to write down result in from starting only 0 1 0 0. In integral part you have to write down reverse form, that means from last to start, and here you have to write in the start to end. That means 0, 1, 0, 0. So how to write down the result? 41.27. For 41, I get 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Point. For fraction, I get 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is the answer of our sum. That means 41.27 is equivalent to 101,001.0100. Okay, then let's start with our today's topic is decimal to octal. For decimal to binary, we have to divide by 2. And for octal, what is the base of octal? Do you remember? Base of octal is 8. So you start to divide by 8. Instead of 2, in binary, just divide by 2. And for octal, just divide by 8. This is the only difference, that you have to divide in both of the cases. From decimal to binary, you have to divide by 2. For decimal to octal, you have to divide by 8, because base of binary is 2 and base of octal is 8. So let's start divide with 8. So it is 49 and keep remainder aside. Again this process will continue, and so when you will get a result less than 8, then you stop here. In case of binary, when you get less than 2, you have to stop there. And in this case, when you get any result less than 8, then you stop here. Then your required octal number is, you have to write down in reverse form. Start with this 6, then 1, then 3. It is in octal form. So 395 in our decimal number, when we convert to octal, 395 is equivalent to 613 in octal. This is our answer. So students, it is very easy. Let's show you another example. Here is a convert 4759 decimal to an octal number. I know you can easily do it. I will do it for you now. Later on you will practice. Then start to divide it by 8. Quotient is 595, and for 11-12 students, you can use calculator in your exam. Calculator is allowed in ICSE and 11 and 12 exam ISC. Then 74, then keep aside the remainder, then 8 9s are 72, 2 again remainder, 8 1s are 8 and remainder 1. So now I get one result which is less than 8. So you stop here. So the required octal number is, you have to write down in reverse form. So start with this 1 1 1 2 2 7. It is in octal form. So in my sum I get 4759 as decimal number, and after octal conversion the result is 11227. So 4759 in decimal is equivalent to 11227 in octal. This is our answer. Now I want to show you some decimal to octal conversion of real numbers. Real numbers mean there is a fraction. So 445.37 we have to convert to octal. So you already know how to convert this integral part 445. So start to divide by 8 and keep aside the remainder part. Then keep aside the remainder part. So this is over because I get 6 here, which is less than 8. So stop. So here for 445, I get here 675 in octal. Now what to do with this 0.37? So you remember that for fraction decimal to binary, we have to multiply by 2. Here octal, so base is 8, so we have to multiply by 8. So in case of real number, we have to divide by 8. In case of fraction, we have to multiply by 8. And here is 2.96. You keep this 2 aside and start again with the fraction part only. I again repeat, don't start with 2.96. 2 you keep aside and start with 0.96 only. Only fraction part you again start to multiply. Here is 7. So keep 7 aside and start with 0.68. 0.68 into 8. Here is 5.44. You can easily use calculator here. 5 I keep aside and 0.44 into 8 is 3.52 and 3. So you can watch here that after 4 times also I can't get, after point there is no zeros. Where you have to stop? After point, if you get 0, there you have to stop. But I already mentioned you that if after 4 decimal places, if you don't get the 0 after 0.00 don't get, then you stop here after 4 times. Then here result we have to write down in this form only. So here I get 675. Here you write down 6675 and after 0.2753. 2753. So this I get in octal and this is my result. Now I show you one of the last example, which is 770.375. So 770 is the integral part. You start to divide by 8. Here is 96 and as a remainder you get 0. Then here 12. Here is a 12 8s are 96 only, so no remainder, that means 0. Here is 8 1s are 8 and remainder is 4. Then you stop here because you get here less than 8. 1 is less than 8. So you stop here. You have to write down result in this way. Then start with this fraction part, which is 0.375. 0.375 you multiply by 8. Here I get 3.000. So at just in one time I get all 0. It is very easy number, one of this. So I stop here and my result is therefore 770.375, which is in decimal number. In integral part I get 1402. Point here is 3 only. So because we have to write down integral part only 3. So this is our result, which is in octal form. So 770.375 decimal, after conversion to octal I get 1402.3. So students, how to convert from decimal to hexadecimal I will show you in my next video. Till now, please keep watching and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press on bell icon for further videos notification. Thank you.